talk about PS3 problems. I've been having a problem with my PS3 that when I load a disc, it won't read. Started off, I was playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and it just froze. Waited there 5 minutes, said maybe I need to turn it off and on again. Did that, didn't work. Maybe I need to clean the disc, didn't work. Maybe it's just this disc. Tried multiple discs, did not work. So for about a week, I was like, maybe I'll give some time at work. Then a week later, it didn't work, so I just started playing demos. After a while, as you know, got boring. So I started freaking out a little bit. Well, my friend told me, go look on YouTube. Went on YouTube, a lot of ways they tell you try to fix. But I'm here to tell you, none of those ways work. None of them. So today I'm going to show you what they'll tell you to do and my thought of why it doesn't work. As you can see, this is a PS3 hooked up to my TV right here. Alright, well, I'm in a video section right now, so I'm going to switch over to the game section and load in a couple of games. All my games are clean. Drake's Uncharted 2. I'm going to pop that in right there. And as you can see, it's going to have the little bubble loading thing. And it's just going to say loading. And there's a disc in there and nothing pops up. Now we're going to put a movie in here, The Debaters. Slide over to the movie section. Nothing. At all. Nothing. Now I'm going to put in CD. Music CD. Nothing. Okay, so now this is what they're going to tell you to do. They're going to tell you to turn off your PS3. Until it fully turns off. And then hit the back switch. Hit it again. And they're going to tell you to hold the PS3 on button for 3 beats. As your third beat, it's going to cut off again. You wait about 7 to 10 seconds. Then you hold it again for 3 more beats. And then you're going to hear a double beat. After that double beat, you let it go. And it's going to come up as this. It's going to tell you connect. It's going to tell you to connect your controller with a USB cord. You're going to have to do that. So press the PS button. Then it's going to come up with a number of options. Restart system, restore default settings, restore file system, rebuild database, restore PS3 system, and system update. The first video I watched told me to rebuild the database. I did this, took about maybe 2 minutes, maybe less. Nothing worked. And the next video I watched told me to do number 3. Nothing worked. And so then I messed around and used all of these, but the problem with number 5 is it restores everything fresh out the box. That's how it's going to be. So I lost all my data and everything. So then I was told, I watched the video to do fan test. Now the fan test is you hit the back switch to turn it off. You hold the eject button and hit the back switch. As you can hear, the fans are running. It is doing the fan test. Spits out the CD and it completes the fan test. After the fan test completes, you should hear maybe 1 beep, maybe 2 beeps. Three beeps actually. Then the red button flashes. Touch it on. I'm going to go ahead and see if it works. I'm going to put Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. I'm going to pop that in there. Nothing. Nothing at all. So now I'm stuck with a situation. I cannot play any games, any movies, except for demos, videos that I already have, stuff like that. And to not have your PS3 after you play it like all day kind of sucks. So my PS3 is still under warranty. I just haven't gotten a chance to get around and go to Best Buy, because I've heard that if your stuff is under warranty, that Best Buy will take your PS3 and they'll give you either a new one or a refurbished one. But if you're out of warranty, like some people that I know, then you have to send it to Sony, and Sony, it'll tell you you have to pay $150, and then it'll give you a refurbished one. It'll send you a box, and you'll put the PS3 in a box, and then it'll send you a refurbished one, or the same one refurbished. 9 times out of 10, it's not going to be the same one. I'm not saying that all the people that have videos on YouTube are fake, that they don't know what they're talking about. All I'm just saying is I've just demonstrated all of what they told me to do, and nothing worked. This is G Money is the best, and this video is over.